Hello and welcome to a video from Mercurius IT. Today I'll be showing you how easy it is to create a job in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for talent. This will be the first of a series of videos surrounding this application, but let's jump into this one. So as you can see, there are no active jobs at the moment, so let's go over to the right hand corner, press the button for a new job. As you can see, you can create either an individual job listing or you can import from an Excel list. We're just going to stick to an individual job, which will be created for a Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales or CRM consultant job. Then we'll select my role within this as the hiring manager. Click add and then we can select a template. Obviously we only have the default template here, but we'll just select that one for now, but you can get others. So we'll click done and then we'll be prompted with this screen where we can create the entire job advertisement. So we'll paste in a quick job description, then you can enter all the details on the side here, such as the job location. We'll write Milton Keynes, as that's where our office is based. You can see suggestions come up here. We'll just click the top one. Then if you have more than one position opening for this job, then you can obviously select it here. We'll just say we've got one. Then you can add up to 10 different skills in this section. We'll put CRM and Microsoft Dynamics. But yeah, you can add as many as you need for the job that you're posting for. Then the seniority level, this goes from internship all the way up to director or executive. We're going to select it as mid-senior level. Then employment type, you can obviously select for full-time, part-time, all of these options down here we'll keep as full-time. Then down here you can enter up to 3 different job functions. We'll just keep it to business development. And then company industry, similarly, you can add up to 3 here. We're going to put computer software. Then you can select whether the job is open to the public, so anyone can apply, or if it's just an internal only job. We'll just select it as public. Then we'll head to the top, click save, and then move on to the next step. Click save again. Then there we go. Here you can select your hiring team, so if there's multiple people involved within the hiring process, you can add them all here, define their role, and then make sure everyone's on board and ensuring transparency and visibility across the entire process. Which moves us on to the next step of the process, which is very customizable, so you can create the process you need and update things and make sure you get all the information and everything you need before you hire this person. So the current default template, it goes through a stage of prospect, application, screening, interview, and then moves on to the offer. This is the default template, it works quite well. You can change different options in here, such as for the application, applicants must include a CV to apply, which is quite a useful one, so we can just click that there. And yeah, there's just a variety of different options. Then you can add all these different activities in the side here. To customize the hiring process to how you need for your organization, which is very useful. We're just going to leave everything as default for this. Click save, and then we'll move on to the postings. You can see here that there is 2 different options for the posting. One is through a talent careers portal, which is hosted on the Dynamics 365 for Talent app, or you can post your job to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very good business-oriented social network, so posting your jobs on there, you can attract the right candidates for your job. So we'll just click the activate button in the corner here to activate the job. This will lock all the edits and allow you to start accepting candidates for the job. So we'll click activate. Then we're not going to post the job to LinkedIn, as this will be linked to our actual LinkedIn account, but we can post it to the Talent Careers portal in order to see it from a candidate point of view of what the application now looks like. So we'll click post. We'll allow candidates to apply using the link in Attract. Click done, confirm, and then we'll have the job posted on there. So we'll just pause and then we'll head over to the jobs page and look at it from a candidate point of view. But this is the entire job created now. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple, and ensures visibility throughout the entire process, and it is customizable to your organization. So this is the job listing on the Dynamics Talent portal for this job that we've just created. So as you can see, it's got all the information that we entered. It's very nicely laid out, quite easy to read. Looks like a good job application. And yeah, so that is just how easy it is to create a job listing in Dynamics 365 for talent. Under 5 minutes, very easy process. Please subscribe to see more content related to anything Microsoft Dynamics related, and make sure to follow us on social media too. There will be links in the description below. Similarly, with Microsoft Dynamics 365 for talent, please head to the links in our description to find out more about the solution. And yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye.